Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy tutorial for those of you looking to find all members in a group chat on the Messenger app using your PC. Updates can sometimes make things a little tricky, but don't worry. We'll guide you through every step so you can easily discover the members of any group chat. Let's get started. First, go ahead and launch the Messenger app on your PC. Once you're logged in and the interface is loaded, it's time to find the group that you are interested in. Now, locate the specific group chat of the person you want more information about. Sometimes it can help to use the search bar if your group chats are numerous, making it easier to spot the right one. Once you've found the group, click on the three dots located at the top of the chat window. This icon often indicates more options available to you. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. Finally, select Chat Members from the menu. This will display a list of all the members in the group chat you're viewing. You'll see everyone who is part of that group, giving you access to all the information you need directly from your PC. That's it. Now you can easily view group members on the Messenger app using your PC. Make sure to follow us for more tips and tricks on navigating your favorite apps.